Hello, everyone. This is Emmanuel with Elite Furniture Moving Company. So today I'm going to be making a quick review of this beautiful home located at number 10362 Scripps Poway Parkway, Unit 64, here in San Diego, California, 92131. And I'm going to be making a quick review of what's going to take to have a home like this moved, have a home like this relocated. For starters, I'd like to say big congratulations to the listing agent, Ronald Smith. This is a very wonderful home. It's a very beautiful one. As you can see, this is the back porch. This is the front porch with the entrance, and this is the living area. You can see a coffee table, a dining table, some set of couches, big beautiful 65-inch TV with some wall arts on the wall. Yeah, it's a very beautiful home. So typically, it's a house. It's located. It's a 1,064 square foot house with two bed and two bath. So typically, a home like this will take somewhere around with three professional movers and a fully equipped truck. This house could be moved within 7 to 8 hours of labor. Basically, we provide a moving service here in the city of San Diego, and for a move like this, we'll be recommending three professional movers with a fully equipped 26-foot truck. The truck is going to be well equipped with everything needed to make the move as easy as possible. And with three movers, it should take somewhere around 7 to 8 hours. Our movers would help you pack everything, all the kitchenware, the bathroom items, all the electronics will be properly wrapped up and well protected. And the kitchenware, the glassware will be well boxed up, well packed up. That's not a problem. Our movers are well experienced with handling things like this. We've been doing this for over a decade, so you got nothing to worry about in regards to that. Yeah, the bed frame will be properly disassembled. We will make it. We have a stand policy where all furnitures, all electronics are properly wrapped up and well protected. So you got nothing to worry about in regards to that. And yeah, it's a beautiful home. Yeah, the dressers will be well disassembled. The bed frame will be well disassembled. Yeah, it's a very beautiful home. Yeah, so ideally a move like this could take somewhere around 7 to 8 hours. So you can reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to give you, a free estimate and have this job done. Our movers are professionals. Typically on the move date, you don't need to move a muscle. Your work is just to instruct the movers on what needs to be packed up, what needs to be boxed up, and we'll have everything all figured out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So we'll be looking forward to your contact. You can give us a call. You can send us an email, whichever works for you. We're more than happy to answer you. Once again, congratulations to the